Hello viewers, welcome to the Adema class. Today I want to simplify this question. We have root 3.6 minus root 1.6. Simplifying this is that I'm going to rewrite this 3.6 in fraction form. We know that 3.6 is the same thing as writing 36 over 10 minus root 1.6 is the same thing as writing 16 over 10. So, using the rule of indices that says that this can be splitted, we have when you have root A over B is the same thing as writing root A over root B. So, utilizing this rule, here I'm going to have root 36 over root 10 minus root 16 over root 10. Square root of 36 is the same thing as 6 over root 10. Square root of 16 is the same thing as 4 over root 10. Now finding the LCM, it's like you having root 10 as the LCM. Here we have 6 minus 4. So here we have 6 minus 4 is the same thing as 2 over root 10. Like I used to say, you can't just leave this in this form because we are having a radical as a denominator. So there's a need for us to rationalize, whereby multiply by the denominator, which is over root 10 over root 10. 2 multiplied by root 10 gives 2 root 10. Root 10 multiplying root 10 here gives 10. That is the rule of indices. So dividing 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So finally, I can have root 10 over 5. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please kindly support this video by sharing this and also click on the like button. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the link in the description box. Thank you very much. See you next time.